Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set an alarm on your SONOS One SL speaker. So to do this, you have to just click on the settings icon in the right bottom corner, and I'm already in the alarms, but basically you will be just like here in this screen. You have to go for the system and then scroll down until we get the alarms. There it is. So we can just click to add alarm, and first you can pick the time, click OK to confirm. You can also set the room. Below we can find the alarm sound. That's also the volume level, duration, and also we can set up the snooze duration between 1 minute and even 30 minutes. When you set it up, you have to click save in the right upper corner, and that's the alarm that we turned on, that we basically set up. If you want to turn it off or turn it on, you have to just click on the switcher. If you want to get rid of that alarm, you just have to open it, then scroll at the bottom and then click delete alarm. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.